Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MTNB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, quite the eventful day today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look at all this volume down here and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs going forward. And what's got me very intrigued is the final 30 minutes. And now that I think about it, not only was it the final 30 minutes of the day, but given today is Friday, the final 30 minutes of the week. Big volume surge, and then also created this little lower shadow on the candle, which tells that at one point the price was down there, but eventually was able to fight back upwards. So there was some momentum going into the close. Now, of course, overall the trend is downwards. But my point here is, if this is the start of something bigger, then it could definitely be a nice little kind of dead cat bounce momentum trade to the upside. But the level that really stands out to me is this trend line right here. Can the price actually get a break above that trend line? Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say the trading was this easy. If the price goes sideways, goes up there and gets through there, am I saying that's automatically going to skyrocket the price back upwards? I'm not saying that, but it also wouldn't be shocking to see that create some momentum and send it up to potentially test that $1.60 mark right around there. And then if it can get through the $1.60, maybe even build that much more momentum. But I also don't want to get too far ahead of myself, because as of right now, the price hasn't even approached that trend line, let alone break above it. So as far as I'm concerned, though, that's definitely going to be the near term and key level of resistance going into next week. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing new here, nothing fancy or at all, other than the fact of, well, the bleeding finally stopped today at $1.37. So for that reason and that reason alone, that is going to be the important area to watch if the buyers can hang around down there. But yeah, very, very crazy final 30 minutes. The price did fight back a little bit. If they can continue to fight back and get a break of that trend line, who knows? Could be a very interesting Monday, Tuesday, so we'll see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.